Hey y'all, let's get into it. So here we're going to apply our mousse and pluck that hairline to our liking. Now we are going to curl those baby hairs up so that they lay perfectly. I decided on crimps, so we're going to do that before we install her on our head. Clean that parting up with some semi-permanent hair color spray. You can find this lace tending spray by Amaslayo Bay in the shade Toast, and she is on Instagram. I'll leave that below. Okay, let's go ahead and apply her and see what we have. I absolutely love this unit, you guys. Look how natural that hairline is. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we're going to cut that lace in a zigzag motion to make sure it looks completely natural at my hairline. Lay those baby hairs as desired. Add some more if you need to. Conceal that parting to make it look extra natural. And there we have it. Yes, ma'am. This is gorgeous. I love this unit, you guys. Super easy to install. No issues, no glue, no sewing, nothing. You just pop her on and go. This hair is super soft and bouncy, very flirty and fun. You definitely want to get you one of these units, ladies. Ooh, new wig, who this? Yes, thank you so much, I Like Hair. This was so much fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.